Hello student, myself Joshi sir. Today we are going to discuss the important aspect of 11th and 12th organic chemistry, that is homologous series. Okay, what is meant by series? The substance which come one by one. Okay, means a periodic manner called as series. Okay, now, see, the organic compound belonging to the main class can be divided into different families known as homologous series. Homo means similar, okay? Means we have numerous organic compounds. They possess some specific functional group, and on the basis of that functional group, we can divide them on the basis of that functional group we can divide them, and they are known as homologous series. This studied on the basis of similarity in a structure and chemical properties, means we can be classified depending upon the classify them depending upon the structure and chemical properties. The compounds are arranged in order of their molecular masses, constitute a series called homologous series, and the individual member is called homologous. And the property or the phenomenon is called as homology. See, what is meant by homology? It is a phenomenon or it is a property of homologous or homologous series. And what is homologous? It is the individual member of the series. Okay, now see the actual definition of homologous series. A homologous series can be defined as a group of compound in which the various members have similar structural features, or we can say formula, and similar chemical property, with successive member different in their molecular formula by CH2. Means they possess same molecular formula, same structural features, but the masses or the compound increase by the formula CH2. We'll discuss in later. Now see the general characteristics of homologous series. The first, all compound in the series are composed of same element and contain the same functional group. यहाँ पे क्या होता है, वो सीरीज में जितने भी ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स रहते हैं उनमें एलिमेंट्स सेम रहते हैं और उनका फंक्शनल ग्रुप भी कैसा रहता है, सेम रहता है. All compound in the series can be represented by same general formula. Okay, means they possess same general formula like this: alkane CnH2n plus 2, alkene CnH2n, alkyne CnH2n minus 2. Okay, the molecular mass of every two adjacent member differ by 14. Means there is a difference of CH2 group. There is a difference of CH2 group, that is the mass of carbon is 12 and the mass of hydrogen is 1. 2 hydrogen, that is 14. Okay. All compound in a series have similar chemical properties because of presence of same functional group. As they possess same functional group, so that's why their chemical properties are same. Okay, fifth. The members of the series shows gradual gradation in their physical properties like solubility, density, melting point and boiling point. Because as we see in case of alkane, methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, in each of the in this particular series, each homologous have increased their mass by 14 grams. So that's why there is a gradual gradation. Gradation means increase in their physical property like the solubility, density, melting and boiling point. The physical property gradually increases as the molecular mass increases. Okay, these are the properties of the homologous series. Now see particular example. First example, alkane. What is the general formula for alkane? CnH2n plus 2. What is general formula for alkane? CnH2n plus 2. If we consider n is equal to 1, then formula CH4. N is equal to 2, C2H6, N is equal to 3, C3H8, N is equal to 4, C4H10, N is equal to 5, C5H12, and N is equal to 6, C6H14. See, in CH4, C2H6, just CH2 increases. See, in all the cases, CH2, CH2, CH2 increases. When we consider the molecular mass, see the molecular mass of methane, that is CH4 is 16 gram. Okay, because the mass of carbon is 12 and the mass of hydrogen is 1. Second C2H6 30. there is a difference of 14. Okay, in each of the consequent or adjacent molecule possess difference of CH2 or 14 gram. This is nothing but the homologous series. We have some questions. See how the questions are asked on this aspect. Write the second homologous of ethane. We have to write the second homologous of the ethane. Okay. What is the formula for ethane? C2H6 means we use N is equal to 2. Now 3, 4. Second means N is equal to 3 is the first, that is propane is the first and butane is the second. So C4H0 झालंय. C4H10. C4H10 is the second homologous of the ethane. Then we see another example of alcohol. See, what is the general formula for alcohol? It is CnH2n plus 1 OH. What is general formula for alcohol? CnH2n plus 1 OH. If we consider N is equal to 1, CH3OH, that is the methanol. Then again N is equal to CH3CH2OH. Then again CH3CH2CH2OH. Means there is a just increase in the CH2. Methanol, ethanol, propanol, butanol, pentanol. Means each and every possess increased mass by 14 gram. What will be the askable question? Write the previous one and next two homologous of the ethanol. Previous one means ethanol के पहले का और ethanol के आगे के दो. Next two homologous of the ethanol. See, ethanol formula C2H5OH. So previous one is exactly CH3OH, that is methanol, and next two C is equal to 3 and C is equal to 4. So that's why C3H7OH propanol and C4H9OH butanol. Okay, this is a basic aspect of homologous series. Okay, in the next lecture we'll discuss the another things. Okay, good day. Thank you.